Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen out there. We're on to question number 15 on the 2003 grade 7 Gauss. Question 15 looks like a long word problem. A bottle of children's vitamins contains tablets in 3 different shapes. Among the vitamins, there are 60 squares, 60 triangles, and 60 stars. Each shape comes in an equal number of 3 different flavors: strawberry, grape, and orange. So of the squares, a third of them are strawberry. So a third of 60 is 20. So 20 of them are strawberry squares, 20 of them are grape squares, 20 of them are orange squares, 20 of them are strawberry triangles, and so on. A tablet is randomly chosen from a newly opened bottle. What is the probability that this tablet is a grape star? Okay. Well, to do any probability question, we go into our notepad. Probability is just, for something like this, probability equals the number of outcomes that you are interested in. I often say a number of desired outcomes. In this case, the number of ways that we could get a grape star. And then divided by the number of possible outcomes. So all the things that could have happened. So you could have had a strawberry square. How many ways could you get a strawberry square? Plus, how many ways could you get an orange star? Things like that. All the possible outcomes we could have. So in order to figure out the probability, we need to figure out these 2 things. So the number of grape stars, I believe it was, over, well, any vitamin could have come out. So the number of vitamins in total. Okay. So now it's left to us to figure these out. Well, if we reread the question, we get vitamins, and there are 60 of them are squares, 60 are triangles, and 60 stars. So in total, that's 60 plus 60 plus 60 different vitamins. Now the question further breaks them down into strawberry, grape, and orange, but the point is there are 60 squares, 60 triangles, and 60 stars, regardless of their flavors. So it's going to be 180, 60 plus 60 plus 60, total vitamins. Great. Now, how about the number of grape stars? Well, the number of stars that are grape is a third of them. We're told that in the question. Each of these groups is then equally broken down amongst the 3 flavors, strawberry, grape, and orange. So even if you're just looking at the triangles, a third of all the triangles are grape. A third of all the stars are grape. A third of all the squares are grape. So a third of the number of stars gives us the grape stars. But how many stars are there? We're told in the question. 60. So 1/3 times 60, that's 20. So our probability is the number of desired outcomes, the number of grape stars, that's 20, over the total number of possible outcomes, and that's the number of vitamins. 20 over 80, well, there's definitely some cleanup we can do here. Divide by 10 on top and bottom, we get 2 over 18, and then I notice both of these are even numbers. So if we further divide by 2 on top and bottom, we'll get 1 out of 9. Another way you could have seen this was a third of all the vitamins are stars, and a further third of those are grape. And a third times a third is a 1/9. That's another way we could have done it. Either way, we get an answer of A. Okay. So we're going to move right along to question number 16 in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and join me for the next question.